Hola, hola, clase. No estoy aquí hoy, pero te presento, señor Freeman. Clase, te presento, señor Freeman. Mucho gusto, sí, mucho gusto, encantado, encantada. Muy bien. Pues la fecha de hoy es el 14 de noviembre y frase de la semana, vale. ¿Qué significa vale? I hope you said okay. Sí, vale significa okay. Y el número es 50. ¿Recuerda? 50 significa 50. Muy bien. Profe del día hoy. Mr. Freeman will tell you who the profe of the day is, but you should already know. We are also going to do pan, work on Berto, the verb tener, and Monday we go to the computer lab. Please remember tomorrow your first Berto choice board is due. Okay, so pause here for profe of the day to come up. Okay, las tapas. Yes, you need to write it down. El jueves, sí, el jueves. ¿En qué año? Oh, lo siento, clase. No ano. ¿En qué año descubrió Cristóbal Colón el Nuevo Mundo? ¿Y en qué año? So in what year descubrió? You can kind of guess, maybe. Discovered Christopher Columbus the New World. ¿En qué año? Pause here for 3 minutes or so, a minute or two. Okay, hopefully you said 1492, which in Spanish is 1492. Fabuloso. Próximo, por favor, saquen señor Woolley. Lo siento, momentito. Pan, ¿sí? Saquen pan. Por favor, escribe en español. We are not lazy. We are hard workers. Mr. Freeman, please pause here for maybe 2 minutes, 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Okay, so hopefully you have here, it's going to be difficult, nosotros, lo siento mucho. So we, you don't need it, that's why it's in parentheses. We are, it's going to be somos. Okay, I'm doing this with my mouse, so. Oh, lo siento, this is why it was a small space. Okay, no, because we are not lazy, right? Nosotros no somos perezosos. Or, if you are a group of all girls, you could say perezosas. But all boys, perezosos. A mixed group, girls and boys, perezosos. Again, you could have another nosotros there if you wanted to. But again, we are hard workers. Somos gosh, this is hard. Trabajadores. Okay, you guys know trabajador, of course, which is singular. Just add an es to make it plural. And now let's listen to the song. Senor Woolley, Pan, Mr. Freeman, please start it at the 3-minute mark. I'm going to pause here for just a second. Okay, nice job, you guys. Now we should have done this after we did our profe of the day, and I'm sorry, but now we're going to do the 2-minute partner practice. And again, you can do this by yourself at your desk, you can do this with a partner, or you can follow along on the screen. Let me shuffle, and here we go. Oh, it's not going to play. Okay. I will have it set up so that Mr. Freeman can play this on the screen. Okay, go ahead and do that. I'll pause here. Okay, Mr. Freeman's going to pass this out. This is called stopper words. Sometimes it's called 2-column notes. I want you to do this with chapter 2 of Berto, and then you can have the rest of the day to work on your Berto project. So again, put your name up here in the class A. What you're going to do is you're going to read through chapter 2. Every time you come to a word that you don't know and that you can't figure out by context, you're going to write it here, and then you're going to look it up in the back of the book and write the English translation here. So for example, let's say I'm reading and I come to the word torpe. I can't figure it out. I don't know what it is. I look in the back of the book. I see it means awkward. So I write that down. Now only go to 10. Even if there's more words you don't understand, I don't want you to write down more than 10. After the chapter, you're going to write down 5 main points or important facts that could be on the test. So for instance, I could write down, this is going to be in Spanish, maybe something like, who is Berto's best friend? So this isn't, ¿Quién es la mejor amiga de Berto? Okay. It thinks I'm writing English, so that's why it's kind of messed up here. So, ¿Quién es la mejor amiga de Berto? And then, of course, your answer would be su mejor amiga es Paquita, right? You're going to turn the facts. Okay, I did that backwards, but here you go. Lo siento. So, 5 main facts. His best friend is Paquita. So turn it into a question. Who is the best friend of Berto? Oh, now it wants to give me Spanish. Okay. You're going to do that for 5 important facts. Then you're going to summarize the important facts with transition words in Spanish. Now, if you look to your right, up above the Billy Las Botas poster and the Puedo Ir al Baño poster, you'll see 2 posters up there on the wall with purple headings across the top. You want to use the one on the far left that says conjunctions. So I would say something like, so I'm going to summarize it, important facts. La mejor amiga de Berto es Paquita y, so there's a conjunction, and ella tiene 15 años. So you're basically going to end up with 5 sentences, 5 or 6 sentences, all in Spanish. So go ahead and do that. It should take you maybe 10 or 15 minutes. That is due at the end of class, and then go ahead and work on your Berto project that is due tomorrow. Okay, thank you.